looking at heading and paragraph. Okay, so for heading and paragraph, I want to just show you how to use heading and paragraph. Let's change this title. I'll quickly erase this and name it heading and paragraph. So heading and paragraph, erase this. Okay, so now let's start with the paragraph first. So for us to, paragraph is just like a sentence, kind of like a long, kind of like blog post, for example now. So it's just a plain light thin handwriting of computer like that. So if I show into this paragraph, you use the p tag. So that's the p tag I just wrote here. So you can just put in any text there. Like for instance, let me just write something. Doc type declaration is not regarded as HTML tag. Okay, so this is a paragraph. If I should save this now, I just save this now. Let's check our browser. You can see the doc type declaration is not HTML tags. So watch the handwriting very well. Watch how thin it is and how neutral it is. This is our heading and paragraph. It has been changed. It is. This is our heading and paragraph. It has been changed as we change it here. So that's just it here. So this is the doc type declaration, and I mean this is how the paragraph works. I just wrote the doc type declaration is not HTML tag. You can actually span different lines. Like if I click enter and write another thing here, maybe it's not case sensitive. So I'm trying to say doc type is not case sensitive. Just still writing some random text. Can be a blog post or something you're writing. So let's check the browser again. You can see it's not case sensitive. And you notice it's still in one line. So if you want to go to another line, you need to create like another. You can use break tag or create another paragraph like this. So if I create another paragraph and write another text, let me write. Should I write now? Coding. Save. So let's check our browser again. And so this is in a new line now. Okay. So that's just how paragraph looks like. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Let's go to heading. Now this heading has 6 types. We have H1, H2, H3, H4 to 6, H6. It's stopped at H6. Okay. Most of the time it's advised that we shouldn't use any heading that is from H4 to H6. So we should just use heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. So that's for SEO, that is search engine optimization, for Google search engine optimization. That's advisable not to use any heading above H3. So let me just show you the difference. H1, let me just write this is heading 1. I'll be fast. H2, this is heading 2. H3, this is heading 3. H4, this is heading 4. I'm just writing some random text. Not say this by force, you must write this is heading for heading any number. Okay, I'm just giving you an example. Okay, so this is heading 5, and the last one, H6, this is heading 6. So save. I just saved it now. Let's check our browser to see the difference. So you can see the difference now. So the heading 1 is very big and bold like that, thicker than the heading 2. So on and on. That's how it's reduced like this. So we advise to use mainly this first 3. Okay, this one can be the heading, the actual heading of, like for instance, maybe the title of your blog or something. Why this one can be like a subtopic or subheading. You understand? Why this one can be like another kind of like subheading followed up with this heading 2. So it's just something like that. But we shouldn't use more than this H3. We shouldn't use H4, H5, H6. That's just the advice. So that's how to differentiate between heading. You can see how that heading looks like and how paragraph looks like. They are very different. So that is it about this aspect. And let me just add one more thing about this our page structure. For instance, instead of writing all this, instead of writing it one by one, writing the dot type, writing each of them like that, just type doc, then press enter. it will automatically bring all the necessary stuff you need here. Now, if you notice, we have something like a meta chat set 8. So this is just like the normal standard now of HTML. Okay, it helps the computer language, the computer to translate um, the English codes. But if you notice, HTML is purely more of English text. So to make the computer understand the language and help translate to the machine language understanding. So that's just it. So this aspect of the viewport, just leave it that way. It is necessary most of the time for Android users that are doing those testing. So there are some apps that you may need it. If not, if you don't have this stuff, JavaScript may not run in that app. So just leave everything like this. So don't forget how I started it. I just typed doc, then I press enter. So just do it like that in your phone to see stable attention. So you can change your title and just go straight to your body tag like that. Okay, we just noticed now there's no doc type at the beginning, so you can just put the doc type yourself. So that's just it. Everything is set up and I just write on that way. So I hope you understand this aspect well.